Hey everyone, it is currently around 9:20 in the evening and right now I just have to get some things done. So I have here my iPad. School year is about to start. We will be starting another semester and this time around I'll be in my last year as college student. So it's going to be my senior year. And so with the upcoming start of a new semester, I've been trying to reset my entire workflow and get everything organized before classes start getting busy again. So basically I reorganized my apps and set my Apple Calendar with all my classes and then deadlines, and then I also use reminder to keep track of any assignment and everything that I need to get done, and it basically becomes a second human brain throughout the semester. And I spent a lot of my time taking handwritten notes, annotating lecture slides, and then planning projects. So my iPad is probably one of the devices that I use pretty much every day, and that is why I really love using my Paperlike with my iPad. So when I first switched to digital note taking probably about 4 years ago, writing directly on glass never felt quite right. It almost felt a bit too slippery, especially during longer study sessions, and since installing the Paperlike, writing just feels so much more natural, and then it feels as if I'm writing on a paper, and it gives my Apple Pencil a bit more control, which helps me write more comfortably and keeps my note looking a lot cleaner. And it's also one of the small changes that I don't really think about anymore because it becomes such a normal part of my workflow, whether I'm planning my week or brainstorming new ideas or annotating research paper. But yeah, as a student like myself, I think having a Paperlike is definitely one of the things that will make your student life a lot easier. So if I were you and if you have the means, I would love for you to try a Paperlike. So if you want to, you have the link in the description box, and then you can also use my code for you to get some discount.
So then sa Red Cross Marshals, as mentioned earlier, JP. So si Kyle yung magiging class deputy natin for this term.
survive. There's gotta be.